Szanowni Państwo, witam na rozmowie z ekspertem, a moim Państwa gościem jest pan dr Stefan Steinmeyer, Product Manager Dräger. Herzlich willkommen, Stefan. How are you? Can you hear me? That's great.
Yeah.
Let's talk about a little bit, as we can see on your screen, Technology for Life by Dräger. In the area of progressive digitalization and of upcoming changes, and especially Polish legislation area, Polish law, in the area of employees, supervision over employees, what solutions are available at the latest technological trends?
Well, besides the aspect that we are trying really to perform as good as we can in order to make the devices analytically superior, then the next aspect would be to get more connectivity, and this is what we are doing right now. So we are trying to bring things into the digital world, like using software, like using an application, an app. I have an example for you. So this is just above my head. You can see there, Drug Check 3000, and then there's a little app installed on the mobile phone with which you can read the results. So this enables then the user to have a better idea about where the test has been performed, at which time. You have a GPS signal, then you can bring that into the digital world, so to say, and then you have the possibility to compile data, to do statistics and that stuff. And this is what we are doing all for the other devices as well. So the best would be to have a web-based application in which we have compiled all the data together, and then we can see from there what is going on in the different applications.
Oh, that's great, but in light of these solutions, what direction will go in increasing the level of safety, which is strictly really important in the field of effective drug detection?
I would answer this question in that regard. There are two parts, I would say. One part is we need, if the legislation allows, that policies, drug and alcohol policies, really transparently written, that all of companies know what they are doing, what is allowed to do, what's the limitations, but also what the opportunities of testing is and are, and then go from there. If you have these policies, I mean, then you have the best way to check persons under the influence of drugs, potentially of alcohol, and to see where it goes. And the next part of the question would be that we as a company, as a manufacturer, can do our own thing. Means we will help in order to bring this piece of the puzzle into that policy, to try out and ask, hey, what can we do else? Can we adopt a cutoff? Can we use a certain drug? Can we, do you need a certain configuration and these kind of things? So it's a complex model. And I think a company and a manufacturer like we are can go together and make the best out of it.
Okay. So, and finally, we can even say that digitalization is not only the solution, but it's a part of our future, right, Stefan? Yeah,
that's true.
That's technology for life and for our everyday solution we need for, really. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, that was the end of our expert talk, and mine and your guest was Dr. Stefan Steinmeyer, Product Manager from Dräger. Dziękuję Państwu bardzo. W rozmowie z ekspertem uczestniczył pan dr Stefan Steinmeyer, Product Manager firmy Dräger. Bardzo dziękuję za uwagę.
Pozostając w wirtualnym świecie, rozpoczynamy następny panel. Cyfrowa fabryka, inteligentny przemysł. Na pytania doktora Mariusza Hetmańczyka, kierownika zespołu do spraw kontaktu z rynkiem z Platformy Przemysłu Przyszłości, odpowiedzą branżowi eksperci.